Hello dear friends, very good afternoon. This is Professor Lalit Chandra signing from Rajkot. My dear friends, yesterday was my birthday and I'm very thankful and express my gratitude for all of you for sharing lots of wishes to me on my birthday and making the day a superb memorable one for me. Even the message for my birthday was there in all the evening newspaper of Rajkot city, and even I received hundreds of calls from unknown people and received best wishes of birthday onto the social medias, onto the different platforms. My dear friends, today I've decided to share the experience of joy. Naturally, my family members, daughters, everybody, they have put the efforts to make this day a memorable one. They wanted to celebrate in some different ways also, but I said no. This is the pandemic time. It's not the proper time to celebrate. But yet, my dear friends, hundreds of friends and students and well-wishers, they have showered their kindness and the wishes on me. So on this day, I would love to express my deepest gratitude for all the well-wishers, those who have poured the messages from all over India, and even few students from abroad. My dear friends, what exactly I wanted to share with all of you, I received messages, calls. Then suddenly in the evening, my wife told that this time we haven't received a message or call from these two friends. My dear friend, she is absolutely right. And I told her that when you received not the messages from the expected, my dear friends, we should not feel unhappy, or you see that our mood must not be spoiled in such circumstances, because it may happen that few of the friends may have forgotten, or at the same time we should ask the question that do we remember all the birthdays of all our concerns, near and dears? So it may happen. Another very important dimensions I would love to share with all of you. My dear friends, we should not forget that when we spoil our mood because of few messages, it means that we give our key of happiness to somebody else. That someone has not conveyed the message, I'm unhappy. Somebody has not gifted me, I'm unhappy. Somebody hasn't turned up to the party, somebody hasn't conveyed the message or the mail or the face to face or the call, and you become unhappy. My dear friends, we should change our focus, and we should not hand over the key of our happiness to few circumstances which may not be intentional, my dear friends. But instead of that, we should see that this time we have received so many messages from the strangers and the new friends also. Few friends have forgotten, but other friends, they have already said, they have already conveyed the message, my dear friends. Why don't we change the focus? My dear friends, we should see what you have received. We should not look what we haven't received. This is the mostly the reason of unhappiness in our life. So my dear friends, I don't have any grudge or even the complaint from a few friends. No doubt I have received messages from most of all the friends, but my dear friends, even in the past I've experienced that the friend who has forgotten to convey or to wish on the same day may call after few days, my dear friend. What does it make the difference? So there's the question of mindset and attitude to change the focus. My dear friends, this day, while expresses my deepest gratitude for all the well-wishers, let me tell that we should not hand over the keys of our happiness. And let me remind you, my dear friends, that our happiness is not so cheap that few of them they forgot to express, to share the message or receiving the call, and we spoil our mood. My dear friends, our happiness is very costly. We should take care of it and we should focus what we have received. This is the message which I wanted to convey to you all. Thank you very much, all the near and dear friends. This is Lalit Chande with this experience signing out from Rajkot. God bless all of you and thanks with the regards. Have a nice time. Thank you.